why profiling matters.
Profiling helps you find out which parts of your code are making your program slow. By analyzing how long functions or sections take to run, you can pinpoint bottlenecks, making your software faster and more efficient. Without profiling, optimizing code is often just guessing. Profiling tools give you clear data so you can focus your efforts where they matter most.
Getting started with profiling tools.
Most programming languages offer built-in or easy-to-use profiling tools. In Python, you might use cProfile. For C++, there's gprof. And in JavaScript, browser developer tools include profilers. These tools collect detailed data on function calls and execution time, which helps you identify where your program slows down.
How to profile your code.
Start by running your profiler on the part of the program you want to optimize. Let the profiler gather statistics as your code runs. Afterward, review the reports provided to see which functions consumed the most time or resources. Focus debugging and improvements on the slowest sections reported.
Interpreting profiling results.
Profiling outputs often list functions along with how much time they took and how often they were called. Look for functions with high total time or those called very frequently. Sometimes it's a single function. Other times, inefficient loops or unnecessary calculations are to blame.
Tips for effective optimization.
Always profile before and after making changes. Small code tweaks can have outsized impacts, both positive and negative. Optimize only the truly slow sections revealed by profiling, not the ones you think might be slow. This approach saves time and leads to smoother, faster running code.